Hello, I am Samrita Bhattrai, CEO of Easy.
I am Soumya Sigdil, COO of Easy.
Hello, my name is Anushan Shrestha and I am the CTO of Easy.
Hello everyone, I am Siddharth Thakur, the CFO of Easy.
I am Adya Sharma, the Chief Marketing Officer of Easy.
We are Team Everest, representing Nepal from Millsbury School.
Our world today is experiencing rapid growth, which is being driven by new technology. The more technology develops, the bigger influence it has in the world.
As we know, this is a modern world, and in this modern world, everybody wants to be fit and fine. In such cases, our device is the perfect one. Our device is kind of a fuel-free energy.
The present world today is all about advancements and technology, and our product is such an advanced technology which can give contribution to many sectors like health and tourism.
It saves energy and can calculate biometrics and physical parameters like footsteps, temperature, geolocation, and altitude.
Most of the shoes are powered by batteries, but as we use piezo sensors, our product is self-powered.
It even tells you how many footsteps does a particular person needs to maintain his health.
In the sector of fitness, our product monitors the weight and gives us recommendations about the diet we need to have to achieve our fitness goals. For example, in the case of speedometer, our product helps to calculate the number of steps, and it gives general information about how many steps a trekker should take according to their body condition.
Our product is a lifesaver in your trips.
Thus, our product is unique and effective because of its multidimensional features.
So talking about how are we taking our product to the market, we are focusing on important things like forming a team consisting of entrepreneurs, investors and engineers, our high focus, low focus and non-focus customers based on demand in the market. And finally the main part, which is execution of our plan. We found the right team with right mentors, right coaches. Our engineers have worked on our product design and prototyping and made this product Elexo, which is a smart shoes brand. Fitness enthusiasts, trekkers and patients with orthopedic disorders are our target consumers, where fitness enthusiasts and trekkers are our high focus customers and patients with orthopedic disorders are our low focus customers. Our shoes are self-powered and provide acupuncture and acupressure. So these features makes our product stand out from our competitors, and it is our unique selling point. Talking about execution, all the necessary points are mentioned in our business plan and the prototype is also created. Our school funded us for prototyping. These are the steps we took and are taking for taking our product Elexo to the market in health tech and fitness tech sector.
And now I'm going to demonstrate the mechanism of our product through a 3D model.
As we can see, there are 15 piezos in a circuit. There are 3 rows of piezo sensors connected in series, each containing 5 piezos, which are again connected in parallel circuit. The energy obtained by the circuit is flowing towards the bridge rectifier and then gets stored into the supercapacitor. The stored energy in the supercapacitor can now be utilized. Now here we have the 3D model of a shoes. We can see that the piezo sensors are kept in the bottom of the shoes. The piezo are kept in a series connection of 7 piezos in 2 layers. The series connection of 7 piezos are again connected in parallel circuit. The energy harvested passes to the LTC3588 chip. It harvests the maximum energy. It also contains the bridge rectifier and the supercapacitor. Now, the harvested energy passes to the MCU-CC2640. The data gained by the piezo sensor is processed and sent to a receiving device. Our external solar-powered receiver then displays the data in human understandable language. During commercial production of our product, we use very specialized components or chips that operate with a few micro or milliamperes of power. To harvest the generated energy from the piezo more efficiently, we can use a low power energy harvesting chip like LTC3588, which employs efficient harvesting technologies such as MPPT, maximum power point tracking. The stored energy is sent to the ultra-low power microcontroller, and microcontroller reads all sensor data like step counter, barometer, altimeter, GPS, processes and transmit the data using low power Bluetooth technology. For the purpose, we can use ultra low power MCU microcontroller unit like Texas Instruments CC2640 Simple Link ultra low power wireless MCU, which consumes only 61 microampere per megahertz for microcontroller operation and consumes 9.1 milliampere at active mode Bluetooth transmitter. Finally, the various biometric and physical parameters of the human body are measured with a self-powered system within the shoe and sent to any Bluetooth-enabled receiving device. Finally, we were able to produce 11.3 milliwatt of power from this configuration, and we can increase the power using custom designed piezo for energy harvesting purposes. So this much power is sufficient to operate ultra low powered systems.
Traveling and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is one of the biggest interests of people living in the world. Elexo has different modules for different industries. For travelers, tracking location, tracking the air pressure, altitude and oxygen level are some features. For those interested in maintaining health, has measuring weight, body mass index, maintaining their diet features. Many people interested in this area have trouble starting and setting their goals. Elexo will be able to solve their problems. Moreover, they are all self-powered. Elexo can be the future for the world.